Don't mind my farmer's tan, I'm working on it. Hey, what up everyone? Auto DIY Poly. Still not convinced with the name, may change it, I'm not sure yet. But back for a quick little video. I don't know if you're synonymous with Toyota Tacomas, but their tailgate gets stolen a lot. Not as much as people would think, but still, they get stolen because it is as easy as lifting up the tailgate, opening the tailgate, lifting it up, bringing off both cables, and then it'll just slide out. So today, I'm gonna install a tailgate lock. This one company, can't remember the name, but they sell a tailgate lock, and what it does is it'll clamp down right here so no one can ever take it out. But it's like $50, $60, I can't remember. I'll put a picture of it, what it is and how much it is. But if you shop on Tacoma World or just frequent Tacoma World like I do, shout out Chris_06 on Tacoma World. He's a fabricator, so he makes these guys. Piece of metal that will clamp on and get screwed in like that. So now your tailgate won't get stolen. Alright, so let's start this video. We're gonna need to take off this screw. You can see, I don't know if you can tell, it may look like it's a little stripped because I'm an idiot, and when I was taking it off with my little Torx bit, I realized I was trying to tighten it, but I broke it off. Now I'm just gonna finish bringing it out. Well, that ain't gonna work. Let's see if this guy will grab it. There we go. Hopefully I'm not blocking the camera too much. No, we're good. That should be it. Yeah, and we can just bring this out by hand now. Oh, that one's a lot smaller than the one Chris06 sent over, so we'll figure it out. It should still be the same. It's not too much of a difference, but it should have. When done, you should have one screw out. It should look empty. Now what we're gonna do, sorry if it's a little shaky guys, install our new lock. I found the best way to do it is to come over it. Come over on this side, and then it just slides right over. Now once it's slid over, line that up. Hand tighten that little guy. And we'll finish it off with the ratchet. Sorry for the dogs, everyone. Just like that. Done. And now we have a T40 Tamper Proof Screw. A little harder to get. Make it difficult for anyone who wants to steal this shit. Alright guys, so it is now installed. Alright, so I realized I didn't do a sign off, so I'm in a little different location now. I'm in my backyard. But thanks for tuning in, checking out the channel. Like the video. Hopefully you guys like it. I got some more stuff coming. Maybe I'll film some more things this week, but thanks a lot. Love you guys.